Hi friends, this side Vijay Kumar and you are watching Average Classmate YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting and informative video today. Today we are going to create visuals without importing data in Power BI. Yes, you heard it right. So let's open Power BI. I am in Power BI and you can see I don't have any source, any data in my Power BI. So, but I am going to create visuals without importing any data in Power BI. And how will I do that? That we all will see together. I'm not going to import data from Excel, not I'm going to use these options, no other options I'm going to use. But you will see a magical trick. This is going to blow your mind because I'm going to combine multiple functions and create my own data sets. And that would not only be a small data, it would be for 1 year entire data. It can be as big as you think. So the logic which we are going to apply, once you understand that logic, you can build your own visuals without importing data. And this question was being asked by one of my friends, but I thought let's create a video on that. So let's go here and create our own data set. So how to create our own data sets? We'll go here. This options, write a DAX expression to create a new table. Yes, I want to write a DAX expression to create my own table. Let's give a name to this table, main table. And let's write a function calendar. Returns a table with one column of all dates between start date and end date. Means it has two arguments, start date and end date. For start date, let me write another function, date. And here I will pass 2023, comma, month 1, day 1. Close bracket, comma, and date, again date function, and in here I will pass 23, 12 and 31. Bracket close, hit enter. Now this calendar function has returned a table. You can see here the name of the table is main table and it is giving me dates starting from Jan 1st 2023, and if I go here and show you the last date, it would be 31st December 2023. Perfect. And the name of this column is date. Now, if I want to insert more columns in this data set, so how can I insert that? Now let's add one more column which will show day of these dates, means it was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and so on. We'll go here and write another function, add columns, means calendar functions we have wrapped inside the add column function, and name of the column I need to pass, which would get inserted here. So I will say days. Now I will use format function and in value I will pass date, comma, and in format I will pass 4 times D. Bracket close, hit enter. Now I'm getting another column which is showing me days against these dates. Now let me add one more column here, sales, and there I will add numbers, and in that column I will show sales numbers. So for that I will go here and add another column. Name of that column is going to be sales, comma, and here to insert numbers I am going to use one of my favorite function, ran between, and this function also takes two arguments. So let me write 10 means 10, 90 90, close bracket and hit enter. It is going to give me numbers from 1 to 90. So see guys, as I said, I'm not going to import data. I'm going to create my own data using DAX. As I mentioned, DAX is really powerful in Power BI. Okay, all right guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you some more tricks. Okay, so now let's say I want to add fourth column giving me the product name. Let's say product 1, product 2, product 3, like that. So what I will do, I will write here, comma, product. It is the name of that column which is going to get inserted, comma, and in expression, let's say if I directly write here product, then what will happen? It will give me product in each row. Now I need to add 1, 2, 3, 4 or a random number. Again, we will take help from rand between function. So let's do one thing. To insert product 1, product 2, product 3 or a random number after these product text, what I can do, I can use concatenate function, and inside the concatenate function I can use rand between function to generate random number from 1 to 10. Now let me write here concatenate function, concatenate. So see guys, concatenate functions only accept two parameters, and my second argument would be rand between 1 to 10. Bracket close, hit enter. This way we have another column by the name of product, and we have product 1, 2, 3, but we don't have dash separator here. And inside the concat function we cannot use any other argument. So let's remove this concat function from here, because this concat function does not accept more than two arguments, but we have a workaround. So instead of comma, what I'm going to use and symbol, and here I'm going to pass double quote dash double quote and hit enter. This way we have product dash 7. Now we have for 1 year data ready. See guys how quick it was to create 1 year data, and it is there in our Power BI. We are not importing from some other Excel file or any other database. And not only for 1 year, we can just change end date in our calendar function. So the last parameter end date, so instead of 2023 we can make it 2030. So we will have 7 years of data. So this way guys, now our data set is ready. We can go and create our visuals. Let's go here and start creating our visuals. So let's insert a clustered column chart, and here I will show product and sales. Perfect. So if I go and show you here, so I can see here, and let's add numbers to it. Perfect. Now what if I want to analyze day-wise sales of each product? So what I will do, I will go here, drag these into this way. I can see product 1 day-wise sales, product 10 day-wise sales, and so on and so forth. Now let's do one thing, analyze the data based on weekday and weekend. Means on weekday what was my sales, or weekend what was my sales. By that method it would be easy for us to understand which product we are selling more on weekend or weekdays. For that what I need to do, I need to go here and insert one more column, comma, day type. Let's add day type, and here I'm going to use a function switch. Switch function is going to give me weekdays or weekend. I just need to pass this parameter inside this function, comma, and here in value I will write Saturday, comma, result would be weekend, comma, if Sunday, then also result would be weekend, else it would be weekdays. Perfect. Close bracket, hit enter. This way we have another column, day type, weekday and weekend ready here. If I go and show you, we have Saturday, Sunday, we have weekend. Perfect. Now our data set is ready. We just need to go here, and instead of days, we can now drag day type. This way guys, we can see that in which product the sale was good on weekdays or weekend. Let's change this chart into line chart. The moment I change it into line chart, you can see here on weekend we have very less sales for product 2. What I'm gonna do now, I would simply drag this inside legend and see the magic. Now with this graph we can see that comparatively we have more sales on weekdays. If we compare these products with these 3 products, we have very less sales. But if we are comparing weekdays sales and weekend sales, then we can simply see here that we are not selling products on weekend. We are only selling products on weekdays. So now why we have less sales on weekend, why we have more sales on weekdays, that can be done using RCA, means root cause analysis. We can find out a root cause analysis, do that type of stuff. But here the point was to show you how to create your own data sets and create visuals. And if we want, we can highlight these markers. We'll just need to go here, and here we have marker. We just can highlight from here. So that's all for this video, guys.
उम्मीद है आप लोगों को मजा आया होगा। अगर आपको कुछ नया सीखने को मिला है तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा उनके साथ जो करियर में ग्रोथ चाहते हैं और मेहनत से नहीं घबराते हैं। और हाँ, अगर ये हमारी पहली मुलाकात है तो नीचे दिए हुए सब्सक्राइब बटन पर जोर से हिट कीजिए। आपसे बहुत जल्द मुलाकात होगी विद वन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो के साथ। टिल देन कीप स्माइलिंग एंड हैप्पी लर्निंग।